Hey folks, Mike Pilcher here. Just wanted to kind of show you. I've got a domain name over here at GoDaddy. So you see I'm getting ready to log into GoDaddy here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here. We're going to change the name servers on this domain name. I'm going to put it on my server at GVO. What I'm really wanting to do is show you the power of GVO and just some of the great tools that they just recently added and some of the different things you can do with them. So we're logging in here to GoDaddy, and I'm going to click here on domains, and we'll go over here to domain management. All right, so what I want to show you is how simple this really is to do this. Okay, so you see some of the different domains I've got here. As you can see, I've got several of them. So the one we're looking for is limited. Here it is. Limited free gifts. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a check mark in the box. And once we put the check mark in the box, what that does is it lights up this menu bar right here. So with the domain we're picking, which is limitedfreegifts.com, we put a check mark in the box. Okay, now we're going to go up here to name servers, and we're going to click on name servers, and we're going to click set name servers. All right. While we're waiting on that, we're going to go over here to GVO. We're going to log in. And folks, with GVO, there's just so many great tools underneath one roof that you can use. And now with all the different packages they've added, you can come in as a silver, a platinum, or a titanium like we are. But here's the thing, you can come in as a platinum, which is kind of the middle of the road, and really it's a great bang for your buck. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working with the Blogger Builder. This is a new feature they've just recently added, and it's just awesome. But what we want to do is we want to go to Web Host Manager, and what we're wanting to do is go into Web Host Manager, get our name servers. Okay, so what we got to do is we got to scroll down here. Now this is a little bit slow because I'm doing the screen share video, so when I'm doing this, it really slows down a lot of the features here. So normally this is not near this slow, just because I'm doing this share screen video. Now this is going to open up. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to grab our name servers. You can see with GVO, you can host as many domains as you want to host. And it's really cool because as you're building your businesses, you're going to have several different domains at one time. You're going to be wanting to host several different accounts. Okay, we're going to click on Basic Panel, cPanel. This is going to open up our name servers. Okay, right here you see our name servers. So what we want to do is we want to grab this first one. We're going to highlight it, right click copy. Okay, now we're going to jump back over here to GoDaddy. Now remember folks, you can also use domains right through GVO. You can get your domains right there. I already have this one here from GoDaddy, and that's the reason I'm showing you this. So what we want to do is we want to click on this one here where it says I have Pacific name servers. Okay, you see how these just lit up? Okay, we're going to highlight that, hit delete, right click, paste. Okay, that's the name server we just grabbed. Now let's go back over to GVO. Oops, wrong window. Sorry about that. Okay, now we're going to grab this second one. Remember, we grabbed the name server 1. Now we're going to grab name server 2. We highlight it. We right click. We copy. Now let's jump back over here to GoDaddy. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to go right here. Take out this name server. And we're going to install. Right click, paste. Okay, so we just added our name servers from GVO. Okay, both of them are in there. So you see you got name server 1, name server 2. We're going to click OK. This will pop up one more screen. We'll have to OK it, and then we're done. We'll be done in okay, now we're going to click OK. Okay, so see, we're done. Now this domain that we're working with is limitedfreegifts.com. All right, so now we're going to log out of GoDaddy because we are down there. Let's go ahead and close this out. Okay, now we're going to we're back in the back office of GVO. So what we want to do is we want to click here where it says create new account. And every time we host another domain name, we want to click here under account functions, create new account. And what we're going to do is we're going to add that domain. So right here we're going to click limited free gifts.com. Now you don't put www or anything like that here. Okay, see, it's already recognized it. Now username, what it likes to do is it likes to go ahead and pick your username for you, and you can change that if you choose to. It's purely your option, but it's just giving you ideas based off of your domain name. So limitedfreegifts.com, just kind of checking the spelling here, just making sure we got it spelled right. Okay, looks right. And let's change that to free gifts. Okay, so it's not going to take that. So let's go ahead and limited. Let's just use what they gave us. Guess that was the best choice after all, right? Now what you do is you pick a password. Now you're looking for a strong password. This is really tricky here. You want to make sure you got good, strong passwords. It gives you hints here. This keeps the hackers out. Very important. Okay, so they match. It's good and strong. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our email here. And what this email is, it's a place that's going to send all your updates, your password information, so you can save it Anytime there's an update or somebody goes to your blog, this is going to be a WordPress blog, what we're doing here. So anytime somebody goes to it, makes a comment or whatever, it's going to send that comment for you to approve to this email that you just put in right here. All right, so we're going to skip on down. We're just going to leave these fields alone. They're all pretty much preset. DNS is already set. All we need to do is change the mail routing to automatic. And we're going to hit create. And basically, this is going to be, the account's going to be created. Now, right now, it's going through all the name servers, and it's checking it to make sure that is a real domain. And it's going to pop up here, and it'll say confirmed. We'll be good to go. And just remember, when you're doing this stuff, you can go back and watch this video over and over. You can stop it, go catch up and do what I just did. Okay, see, it's all set up. So account creation status, it's okay. All right, so here's just all the information. This is all your different name servers. Shows all the different fields. So it's all set up. Okay, now we want to go here to list accounts. Now what this is the account we just created is going to show up right here. Now this is where you're going to be able to see all your different your domains that you've set up and what have you. I clicked on the wrong one. Sorry about that. Now remember, this is kind of slow because I'm doing a screen share video, so that's just part of it. This is never this slow. All right, so here you can see all the different domains that I have that I've got hosted right through my my GVO account. So see, when you host your own stuff, you control it. Okay, so here it is right here. See this one here? limitedfreegifts.com. Okay, that's the one we just hosted. Okay, so we're good to go. All right, so now let's go over here to the front side of GVO. Now let's click on Blogger Builder. Folks, this is a great feature because there's so many more new things coming to this Blogger Builder. But what you're doing here, what we're going to do is we're actually going to install this Blogger Builder right on this domain name, which is WordPress. WordPress is a powerful tool. It allows you to do so many things. Okay, install GVO's blog theme now. So let's click here. You can see I've already got a couple other sites listed right here. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to choose the domain that we want. And it's not showing up. Let's go here and click Install Wizard. We just jumped over here so quick, it's probably just not recognized it yet, so no big deal. Hit install. You see WordPress right here. It's clicked, so hit install. Hit the drop down menu here, and let's go through and pick the one we want. Okay, right here it is. See it? This is the one we want. Okay, we're going to change password. Okay, we're going to leave this, see it says here, leave this field empty to install root directory. Let's hit next. Now this is going to take just a few seconds here, and it'll load right up. It'll be good to go. It really slows this computer down when I'm doing the screen share video. Okay. Right here we want to put our email. And again, this is for the administration to be able to send things to you. Now the administration name is simply the name of your username of your site, like of your GVO. So that's what that is right there. Okay, right here we want to choose the blog name. And we can always change this, but let's call this limited free gifts. We're going to click here because we want it to appear in the search engines. Okay. Now let's hit let's install. Not sure if this is the right password, so this may not go. Now, of course, you just got to remember in the members area here of your GVO, there's so many videos. So there's all kinds of self-help videos in here that you can go through and watch. That's going to explain everything I'm doing in great detail. Okay, so no big deal. All right, so let's go over here and take a look. Let's click on this, and it's going to show us our site. And of course, we haven't done anything with it yet, so this is just what it's going to look like right now. So you see our site's live. So here's limitedfreegifts.com. Our site's live. This is just a default template. So you kind of get the idea of how quick and easy this really is. So just want to share that with you. I hope this video was helpful, and we'll be talking to you in the next video. Next video, we're just going to show you kind of how to go into WordPress and basically pick up where we left off right here. So have a great day. Thanks for your time. God bless. Okay, so what I've done here Because we've just picked right back up off this where I was just at. And what I want to do is just show you what I've done is click on customize theme. So let's go in here, let's take a look at headers. Okay, so here's the theme that you just seen that we've got. Okay, so let's go down here. I just want to show you all the different tools, the headers, and all the different themes that you've got access to. This is really, this screen share video, this training, sure, the screen share sure messes with the speed of my computer. All right, so you kind of see just some of the themes. Look at all these headers, folks. Let's look at this stuff. You've got all this great stuff here to use. Now let's go over here to the menu and look at this side here. Okay, let's try the health category. Let's click here. And let's see what's available for this. Because there's so many things here that you can choose from. So let's just take a peek here. See what's available. Okay, as you can see, it's loading up, and it looks like there's going to be a bunch of templates. So I'm just going to kind of scroll down through them here. They're still loading. Look at all these headers. Isn't this cool? You've just got so many different headers to choose from, which really personalizes your blog. So, you know, there's just so much more you can do with GVO and the Blogger Builder than what you can with just regular WordPress. So yeah, this is still WordPress, but it's WordPress with GVO capabilities. Okay, here's a cool one. Let's choose this. So we click on it, and we scroll down. Okay, so what I did is I clicked on the theme that I wanted, and we're going to hit save. So this is the header. Okay, it says successfully set. Okay, we can click right here to view it, or we can just go right up here. Okay, see right here it is. Let's go up here to the site. This is the window I had open just a little bit ago. Okay, so what I'm going to do, you can see this is the domain name we're working with. I'm going to hit refresh, and this will refresh, and you'll be able to see the header is going to pop in right here. It's just going to give us a really neat look. Now this is never going to be this slow for you because you're not going to be doing the screen share video, so it's going to pop up quick. This is just terribly slow when you're doing a video like this, so that's the reason it's taking so long. You can see it's still working down here. Okay, there it is. So there's our header. Not bad. I kind of like the orange, you know, the colors. We might tweak it a little bit, change it, but let's change the background here real quick, and then we'll call it good on this video. So let's go here to background. Let's click it. So what we can do is we can go in here and we can pick some different backgrounds and really customize our site to get the looks that we're after. Now remember, you can go back and change this at any time. So if you set something, don't think that it's set for good, because it's not. You can go back and tweak this and change it anytime you want, and you can just keep tweaking it until you get exactly the look that you're after. Okay, so here's some of the backgrounds. See, right now we've just got this plain gray background, and I'm wanting a little bit more on that. So let's pick fixed. I like using fixed. Let's scroll down through the backgrounds and just see what we've got available here. Now remember, we kind of went with an orange header, so we probably need to be careful what we use, because we don't want to have our colors, you know, just clash. So let's now the other thing, you can upload backgrounds. So if you want to upload your own, you can do that. Why don't we just do that real quick? Let me show you how to do this. There again, you can change anything you want at any time. So you click your browse. See, this is going to upload an image from your computer. So whatever you got in your computer is basically the only limits there is. So if you don't have any pictures in your computer, then you can either add some, or this is not going to work for you. So as you can see, I've got a lot of pictures in my computer. So let's we're looking for something that's got kind of an orangey look, maybe with a little bit of black in it to go with our header. Let's pick this one. I'm just going to show you. This is just showing you what. Now you hit upload. We're showing you what you can do here with the Blogger Builder. Folks, I'm telling you, if I wasn't doing the screen share video, I'd show you real. We could fly through this thing quick. Okay, see, here it is. It's loaded. So let's go back over here to our actual site. Now let's hit refresh. Now I'm working in Firefox. I like Firefox really well. That's what I'm working in right now. So you can do as you please. I recommend Firefox. It's going to be a lot faster and better for what you're trying to do. Okay, for some reason this is not liking this background that I've loaded, so let's change it. It's probably too big. The file, I would imagine, is probably just too big. So let's jump over here. Pick one of them GVO's got here. Let's just choose this one for sake of time here on this video. Let's click save. Like I said, you can always go back and change this. Okay, see, it's already taken this one. Okay. So let's click here and take a peek at it. Okay, see, it took that one. So it liked that. So you can change these around. You see, that's a decent looking background. Probably going to change that header. I'm not really sure I like that header to go with our theme here that we're after. But you see what I did with fixed. You notice this center part. Watch the background. As I scroll this, the background stays put. The center scrolls up and down. See how that works? I like that. That's called fixed. So when you see me select that fixed, that's exactly what I was doing. So this is going to wrap up our video for tonight. The next video is going to be, I want to show you how to come in here and really tweak it, start adding content to it, and really get the most out of your blog and get it ranked in the search engine as quick as you possibly can. So once again, thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I wish you all the best.